So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna use Lexica to create some logo design. So I am looking for creating some new logo like some vintage logo for my new project. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT and Lexica AI to create the complete process. So guys, let's see how we generate some prompt from ChatGPT and it asking for login. I have already used it 3 days ago. So let's see. So guys, we have come to the ChatGPT. So now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create me to suggest me some prompt about vintage logo. So suppose I search for suggest me some vintage logo design prompt and some professional vintage retro logo and look. Sounds like. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the enter and let's see. I think ChatGPT just understand what I just wanted, and he also suggests me some email, but it's not showing here. So guys, I'm gonna let's see what it calls, like design a logo for a cozy retro style coffee shop, incorporate elements like coffee cups, stream. Alright, if we can copy this thing, the whole the logo prompt, and if we come to the Lexica and just paste it and just hit search, let's see what just happened. So as you can see guys, it says design a logo for a cozy retro coffee shop, incorporate like coffee cups scheme. So if you need some ideas to create a new logo for your business, so you can definitely use Lexica AI art. It's just wonderful. If you go to any of the images, so it can also give you the prompt like advertisement for a coffee shop, post with a coffee beans of a real scene, Photoshop design clip. Okay, so you're gonna use the same style, like here to say explore this style. So I'm gonna click it. So guys, as you can see, it's now showing me the same image type of the style we have just selected, and it's really wonderful. If you are going to create a cooking website or a food website, so you can take ideas from Lexica. So to create a new design or a new company logo, you don't need a graphic designer or something like a visualizer. So you can come to the Lexica and you can see, and it also shows you some great mockup type. So you can also show how it will adjust your brand. So this is really wonderful. So guys, let's say I'm gonna create a new design, like in the number 2 it says classic barber shop logo, like create a logo for a traditional barber shop that captures the essence of old school grooming, including classic barber. So I'm just copy this thing and come to the Lexica and just paste it and just hit search. Let's see what it will bring us. So it's okay, it's created some logo, and this one is really great, as you can see. So you don't copy the whole thing, you just get ideas from this, or you can use any of the design. Just you can use Adobe Photoshop to just cut the whole thing and add your own text or logo. It's simple work in Adobe Photoshop, and this one is really good to create a new if you need some retro vintage logo design type, so it can help you. So guys, this is great, and Lexica AI is completely free. You can see this is a really a great brand style. So right now, if you are going to create a business for your cafe or your food, so you don't need a actor to become your company's brand. You can use this image to uh, create your brand more effectively. So guys, this is really great, and I'm gonna again go to the chat GPT and I'm gonna search for this one, like a designer logo for high-end boutique. No, this one, create a logo in 1950s style, dinner, nostalgia. Okay, let's just copy this thing and come here and just paste it, and let's see what will happen. So, here it is. So it says create a logo for a 1950s style dinner with a nostalgia feel. Use an elements like burger, milkshake, and jukebox. So guys, you can see somehow it created something like this, and this logo design is really great. If you are creating a company name with M and which is related to the food, so you can use this style. This is really great, and you can also download these images. So if you like these images, so just hit download. So it will download in a high resolution, I guess. So as you can see, okay, it's the resolution is 2560 into 2560, and that's a lot. So guys, this is really great. So you can use Lexica to get some more logo ideas or your brand ideas, to how you can generate some ideas. So if you don't use chat GPT, don't worry, just type for something like modern professional food logo. So if we just search this, so let's see what just happens. So as you can see guys, I have just searched modern professional food logo. So, and it's already showing me some similar type of logo design, like as you can see, it also creates a visual type, a logo visual argument of mobile integrated. So this is really great. And you can also see if you want to create some candy bar type, you can use this type of images, and this is really great. It also shows some more variants. So you can use any of the images. You can download these images, and all you have to do is just cut out the background and use the whole PNG. So this is really great, guy. I don't say you can get your complete logo design with Lexica, but I will say Lexica is completely free, so you can use Lexica to get some more design and logo ideas. So as you can see, these logos have no indication in this search. So I just searched for logo design for food logo design, and it created me this. And if you love some coffee type vintage logo, so you can check this. So just look at this guys, this is really good. All you have to do is just download the image and just go to the Adobe Photoshop and just cut out these things and add your own text and logo. This is really great style, and this is a completely 100% unique design. So you don't need graphic designers to create this type of design for you. So if you like this type of design styles, you can go to explore this style, and here you can get more of those style, the style you selected, and it also created some more personal images. So this is really great, and it's also creating a food chart, and this is really great and wonderful guys. AI is completely taking over the whole world in few years, I think. Okay, this one is really great. So you can download this image, and you can just use a graphic designer or something and to just remove the whole things and add your own text. So this is really great. I want to learn the Adobe Photoshop first. so you can use this images. So guys, to create your own design or your project work, I always say use Lexica, or you can go to the Adobe Firefly, and this is another one which is completely free. So as you know, the number one AI image generator is right now is Midjourney or Leonardo AI, but AI image generator you can use, and you can also see it will create you some visual which is really wonderful. Like it says a beautiful little 3D mat work in a cup of coffee. So you can use this prompt to create your next images. So I think in 2023, I think Lexica is the number one AI image generator. If we compare to Midjourney, Midjourney is also great, but you have to pay some subscription to get Midjourney, and in the other way, Lexica is completely free. You can create not just logo. If I search for a Spartan warrior came from war, something like that. Not just you can not just get logo, you can also get some great visuals like the Spartan warriors came from war. Like if I hit enter, let's see what happened. So just see guys, this is really great. I know I have gone logo to something else, but this is really great. So if you use the Midjourney, you can use the Midjourney to get the subscription, but you can also use Lexica art to create your own character or your for your story, for your project. So guys, this is so just see guys, action shoot of a gladiator fighting in the arena, cinematic lighting, brass, dust, waste, high detail, HD, 4K. This is really great. If you create a book design or a comic design, you can use these images to complete your books or your complete your books visuals. So this is really wonderful, guys. You can use Lexica AI, which is completely free, and my if you are watching this video, it's completely free. So all thing is free. So you can create some more design after downloading from Lexica. So if you go to any of the character, you can get the images, and you can cut the background, and you will get the whole PNG image. So this is really great. So use Lexica to create your more design, and this is I think the most and the best AI image generator right now in the internet. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video.